With the old latch rod removed, raise the auger tube to the upright position and secure with vice grips. Install one nut on the latch rod and slide it into the latch. Hook the top side into the auger hinge and install the bottom nut. Set the rod latch in the straight down position. Adjust the rod nuts to hold the latch. You want the hook to just start pulling on the hinge with the latch pointing straight down. Once the proper adjustment is achieved, secure both nuts. With a cheater pipe, force the latch into the fully closed position as shown. This will put the proper bend in the latch rod and set the appropriate tension to hold the auger in place.